Hi guys, and welcome to today's STEAM lesson. In the previous lesson we looked at, our learning intention was planning to make a device that would help clean the oceans, because if you remember we were looking at plastic. We were looking at why it's good, why it's bad, why it's bad especially for our oceans. And we were looking at the reasons to why it was so harmful to that environment. And yeah, that was our learning intention, was to make or plan a device. And today's learning intention is, can I make that device? So you're going to look at your plan. You're going to look at the materials that you listed that you might need. So whether it was things like you didn't want to use plastic because you were using things that were better, and you were that you could recycle, or you could even have used plastic itself because you're recycling the plastic, you're not throwing it away. So you need to think about what it looks like on the paper. How are you going to make it look like that in real life? You need to think about how you're going to decorate it, and things like that. So just to recap on the previous lesson, this was the task that I gave you previously. So the task was think of something to clean the ocean with. It could have been anything, from a net to a vacuum, anything that you think would help clean up the oceans. And those are the three things we need to think about: the materials, what's it going to look like, what will it do. There should be labels on your plan, so it both helps you to make it, and also for me to understand, well, what is this device going to do. Now the next video I'm going to show you, it is just one way in which someone has who came up with an idea to clean up the oceans. Now this is on a massive scale, so you don't need to your plans solely for what you can do to help. It's a device for yourself, but this is a device that sort of cleans up massive parts of the oceans at one time. So I just thought it would be an interesting watch for you.